guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to another vlog here on my channel. Doing a little bit of day in the life stuff today, but we're in the Goodwill parking lot.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go pop some tags. Is that what the kids say?
Pop some tags.
Yeah, and see if we could find some good stuff.
Good finds.
Yeah.
You know,
some
see what we can
good stuff.
dig up.
Yeah, and then I think eventually I'm gonna do like a haul slash like lookbook video with whatever I find, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's go thrifting. Woo! Yeah! Let's freaking go. Finding any good stuff?
Ooh, look at this one.
Ooh, wait, I kind of like that.
Look how sparkly it is.
Wait, you can totally make this into something.
I know.
I kind of dig it. But why do I feel like $6 is too much? I just expect everything to be like $1.
You want this?
Wait, I might hang on to this. I feel like I can do something with this.
Oh, no.
This one would have been more fun if it wasn't this weird texture.
Yeah, such an old material.
I'm upset about it. I like this, it's very neon. And I like the ruffles, but I just don't know what I can make of it.
You cropped it. Could be cute.
Ooh.
Like cut under one of the ruffles. Like,
yeah.
good.
I just don't like the V-neck. I don't know how I feel about this. Jenny found this really cute shirt.
A beach cover up? Like,
yeah.
This is shorts to like tuck the front in.
That'd be so cute.
Kinda dig
Ooh,
dig it.
good find, good find. Wait, it's a short
I dig
sleeve button up though.
Yeah.
Tuck one in.
Yeah, I dig.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
$5.
Skip.
Like how it's really big. I dig it. Ooh, more ruffles.
No.
I like this.
Catalina Island. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's kind of cute. I like it. I think it's funny.
Oh, I thought it said Coney Island. That'd be
Oh, no.
cooler. Wait, but
not.
this is kind of funny. Why is it $5?
Why is it Catalina Island?
This should be like $2.
I know.
Just wait. We should go to the men's section because
Big t-shirts.
Big t-shirts. The men's section has really cool t-shirts.
Yeah.
If we could find a Harley Davidson shirt.
Ooh, that's
that
cute.
would be a
Okay.
win. A little Amsterdam shirt. I heart California. Wait, that's actually kind of cute.
We're not tailgating.
But I mean, we're alums, almost. There's this knockoff Celine Paris shirt.
Those were the droids we're looking for. What? I'm kidding.
Droids, it's a Star Wars
I know,
thing?
but those were the droids we're looking for. Oh, like those people that we're looking for.
Thank you for that explanation. Oh my gosh.
Shoppers today. Oh, yeah.
It's amazing. I found this Disneyland long sleeve and it's literally a size small, and I'm going to Disneyland in February. So this is kind of perfect. The bag is secured. Got our thrift on. Now it's time, ooh, the sun is right there, to run some other errands. Oh my goodness, Jenny just got AirPods.
I'm so excited!
She is officially exclusive, part of the exclusive population. I think she's going to start charging me a friend fee to be friends with her because she now has AirPods. No one talked to her. She has AirPods. If you try to talk to her, oh, nope, she might have her AirPods in. But high-key, I want some AirPods. I'm so jealous right now. Damn. We're rolling up. Oh, this is really good lighting right here. We're rolling up to Dutch Bros.
Oh.
Right now, we gotta get some Rebels.
Rebels, what kind of flavor are you getting?
I don't know, I've never had one.
I get strawberry.
I'll get that.
It's so good.
I like strawberries. So we did get some good finds in Goodwill, and I'm gonna make like an actual separate video, yeah, of like just little thrifting haul, lookbook, whatever it may be, because I'm gonna go thrifting a couple more times. I'm trying to be a little bit more savvy, you know? thrift a little bit more, be a little more creative.
Savvy.
Like, I'm gonna go with Brooke another time because she's so good at thrifting. Like, she finds such good things, and I'm like, teach me your ways. And we're gonna get our Rebels. I'm gonna keep vlogging it. Give me strawberries. Give me whatever you're eating.
Hi.
Hey guys.
How are you?
Doing well. What can I get started for you?
Can I get 2 medium iced strawberry Rebels?
2 medium iced strawberry Rebels.
Love those Dutch Bros employees.
I've had ones like seriously get into my car.
Oh my gosh, have you ever seen like the memes
like,
of like,
literally, like,
welcome to Dutch Bros? They like
I'm like,
jump in your
whoa,
car.
it's good, but like, come on.
At the same
Just
time.
leave me alone.
That's why I would never be able to come to Dutch Bros
I
like
wouldn't even be able to work
in the
here because I don't
morning
like-
at work.
They're very
like
heavy.
going to work because I'm just like, don't speak to me until I get my coffee, and they'd be like, hi, what are you doing today? How's it going? Like, ooh, what's your favorite color? And I'd be like,
cell phone is?
give me my coffee. Did you leave it in the bank? Did you leave it?
No, I swear to God I had it.
Put it on there?
Oh, it's right here.
Oh my god.
I hate that.
That was so
Blends him with the vehicle. He's black.
yum. I've never tried these.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Tastes like a Four Loko.
Really? No, don't tell me that.
Do they use actual, like, I mean, it's obviously better than a Four Loko. Like, I'm gonna drink it.
Don't tell me that.
So, we just got home from running some errands. I got my thrift finds on the couch. I need to wash them. I just need to get some stuff done, and then I think I'm gonna take the Christmas tree down. Kind of sad, but needs to happen. I just made some dinner. It's like 6:30 something. Jenny's over there looking up some spring break plans because we're trying to plan that right now. But just made some veggies. There's like broccoli in here, cauliflower, orange and green pepper, and then some porkless sweet and sour bites, and then just some veggie noodles. Also, I was looking at this button-down shirt that I got from Goodwill, and there's shoulder pads in it. Like legitimate sewn in shoulder pads. So I'm gonna like try it on and see if it looks good with the shoulder pads. Like, you know, like maybe it's a look, but I just like don't know. Don't really know if that's a look. So I might have to cut them out, but they don't look like they're that hard to cut out. It's literally like a couple stitches. So that was interesting, finding that. And then I'm gonna go thrifting more so I can make an awesome thrifting video for you guys. And I have my ring light on because the lighting in my room sucks. So I think that's kind of it for this little day in the life thrifting vlog today. Little random, but you know my vlogs are always a little random. This is just a routine thing that we got going on now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on those click the bell notification thing. I can't speak. Click the bell button so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday, sometimes Thursday, because you know life happens. And follow me on Instagram because I am way more active on there, so you can keep up with everything. And that is it. Comment if you want to see more day in the life vlogs, thrifting, whatever the case may be. Comment, and I love you. Okay, bye guys.